Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Justiceof and welcome to a new video on Business Central for Warehouse Management. Today I'm going to show you how you can create new bins using the bin creation worksheet. But first, we need to create bin templates so that we can work with bin worksheets. So let's go ahead and search for bin templates. And so here you can see I already have one that I've created, but just for an example for this demo, I'm going to create a new one. So let's say I'm calling this one demo, and I'm going to put a description demo bin. Then you go ahead and choose the location. Okay. Then you can go ahead and choose the zone code. Going to choose pick for now. And then you can put in the maximum cubage if you want to, as well as the maximum weight. Now, also very important is for you to have all these columns visible when you are going to create the new bin template. And if you currently do not see them, you can do so by personalizing your view, which is very simple. You can click on the settings up here, click on personalize, and add the fields that you want to have here. Now, once you've done all of that, you can then search for bin creation worksheet. So the bin creation worksheet, this will now allow us to create our different bins that we want to work with. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the bins. And then we are going to choose our bin template. Now, I created a new bin which was NPB. And as you can see, everything has been added here. And you can go ahead and add the information for the rack, for the section, and even the level. Again, this is based on how you want the information to appear here. So please go ahead and do that. And once you've done all of that, you can click on OK. And then you can go ahead and click on create bins. And what this will do now is this has now create your bins. And so if you go to locations and you select the specific location that you've created your bin worksheet at, so you can go on location and zones. And you can see here we've got the bulk, which was one that we use for the bin. And if we click on that and we click on bins, you can see here it has already put the list of the bins here. So I put the number 5 to 50. So you can see bin 5 is here and it goes up to number 50. And you can also see the different series. So I put, I believe, 31 to 32. So you can see here it has gone up to 32 and the number 50. So that is how you can go about creating your bins. And as you can see, it has created everything all at once because we've created the bin template first and then we've created the bin worksheets. So hope that this video has helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.